Everyone, this is our project multiple disease prediction, and as you can see, this is a project step. The project can help a lot of people as one can monitor the person condition and life expectancy. We can perform. We can consider. We have considered six diseases like diabetes, hepatitis, heart, liver, Parkinson disease, and in the future, many more diseases can be added. Our mission and vision is that to help out poor people and helpless people with normal medical checkup, and our vision is to extend the role of the technology in the medical field. Our team consists of Soham, Manjrekar Soham, Khan Danish, Muzaffar Khan, and Danish Jamadar. Project multiple, and these are the six diseases: diabetes prediction, heart prediction, and as you can see, we are choosing the symptoms. So there are symptoms. This is a checkbox, and we can directly predict. And as you can see, the probability of paralysis is 94% of the person, and here it gives a description and the precaution, and this is the diabetes production. First, to enter the name of the patient, and then the parameters like pregnancy, glucose level, blood pressure, skin thickness, insulin value, BMI value, diabetes pedigree, function, and age. So we have considered almost eight parameters for the diabetes test result, and because we have used a support vector classifier, so our accuracy is almost 80%. As you can see, the patient the details is here positive, and here this is the heart prediction as we enter the patient name and the age, blood pressure, male, gender is male or female, they have options, and type of chest pain may be type typical angina, flat, typical angina, atypical, rest is mean normal, flat, or etc. ST depressions, and as you can see, the blood pressure, vessels, and thalassemia. These are all the patient parameters regarding to heart attack or cardiac related disease. So we are so the patient is don't have any kind of heart disease. And then we move on to Parkinson disease. Here we have considered minimum of 23, almost 23 parameters. And this is the liver prediction, and we are almost minimum 10 parameters. And we can furthermore add jaundice and hepatitis. So that's it. That's our project.